job, honey.
Okay.
Good job.
Good job, my honey
Okay,
bee.
let's play your exercises.
I
Love
don't
it.
have any exercises. Yeah. See, no exercise.
Okay, you done?
Good job, honey.
Yeah, because I
Hi
only
guys,
have
today
3
is
things to do.
May 31st, 2025. Papakita ko sa inyo ang sun. Ang kulay, my goodness. Ano siya eh? Orange. Orange na orange yung sun. Alas 8, mag-alas 9 na ng gabi. Ayan, pakita ko sa inyo. Sana andyan pa. Nawala. Ano na siya? Bumaba na siya. Andyan siya kanina eh. Andyan siya kanina. Ayun. Ayun oh. Nakita nyo? Ang sun. Ang sun oh. Mag-sunset siya. Ang oh my God. Kanina talaga, ano siya, red na red siya kanina. Yan. Malayo kasi ako eh. Yan. Kanina, red, ngayon parang orange na orange. Grabe. Hi guys, mag-alas 9 na ng gabi. Ganito, maliwanag no? Maliwanag siya. Mag-alas 9 na ng gabi dito. Ayan. Ang aking bulaklak. Yes, honey! My roses. Nag-antay ako ng aking tulips ba? Ay, ng aking exotic. Ayun, the blood moon over here. It's not blood moon, honey. It's just, over there, oh. Over there. You see that? Did you see that? Over there. Oh, did you see it? Over there.
Wait, let me see it on the camera so it's more easy.
See that?
That's a blood moon.
Blood moon?
That's in the west, I think.
Okay. Can you see it over there?
Yeah, that's a blood moon.
Okay, blood moon. Maubos na mauna na. Bye-bye.